Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Every Metal Cousin. Today we've got to get back to work on the little Kia. This is my 2000 Kia Sportage 4-cylinder 5-speed. The old lady went to go somewhere this morning and she smelled gas, so I run out there and checked it. Sure enough, we got a leak. Come in a little bit closer and I'll show you where I see the leak at. Alright, when I looked at it this morning, it was leaking right here. That's your regulator. Up here on top. Fuel line comes in here through the regulator and down through the injector rail. But it's not leaking right now. Well, that is an odd one. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. It's probably an easy fix, and this might be a really short video, but I'm not going to complain about that. This will be one of them lessons, just learn to check stuff out real close and see what's going on. It's got this stupid old spring clamp on here, and them do lose tension over time. This is a 20-year-old vehicle. I'm going to try to get a regular real clamp and put on here. Then we're going to start it up and watch it close and see if it leaks. All right, she's been running for about 30 minutes. And if you can see right there, no leaks whatsoever. And then just got that hose clamp. I just took that other one and pushed it backwards and then put this one on without even taking the hose off. I think what was happening, it was really cold this morning. It was actually below freezing. And, you know, temperature has a lot to do with rubber hoses, especially with them stupid springy clamps. But being as that clamp's so old, I think that was the only problem. So, yep, that was a quick and easy one there. Yeah, I know, that was a super quick video, but I mean, sometimes you get lucky and it goes that way. Something's really an easy fix. But it just goes to show you, take your time, check out what the problem is, and, you know, most of the time it's something simple. Like I say, she jumped in this morning, gas leak. So she jumps in the Mustang, takes off, makes it to the store, smoke coming out from underneath it, smelling antifreeze, overheating. She gets it back here, you know where it was? You have that hose that goes from the radiator overflow. It had popped off and pushed just enough out to make the car overheat and do a lot of smoke. Simple fix, put it on there, little clamp, topped her off with some antifreeze, and she was on her way. There again, simple, easy fixes, just gotta find it. Guys, appreciate you watching this little video. If you would, throw me down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, thanks for supporting the channel. Until the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.